Tradesman Nutrition is marketed as a blue-collar-focused supplement brand that supposedly helps hard-working guys burn fat without extreme dieting or gym obsession. But the real question is, does it actually help you get leaner, or is it mostly aggressive fitness marketing? Now, to be fair, the core idea behind products like Tradesman Nutrition Shred is not completely fake. The formula includes common fat burner ingredients like caffeine, L-carnitine, synephrine, and theanine that may help increase energy, suppress appetite, and slightly support calorie burning. What it does well may help reduce appetite temporarily. A lot of stimulant-based fat burners work mainly by helping users feel less hungry, which can indirectly support weight loss if calorie intake drops, can boost energy and focus. Caffeine and stimulant blends may help users feel more energized during work or workouts, especially for physically demanding jobs. Where it falls short, it will not magically get you shredded. This is the biggest issue. No supplement alone can create dramatic fat loss without a calorie deficit, decent nutrition, and consistent activity. The marketing heavily exaggerates simplicity. Phrases like "no gym required" and "lose the gut without changing everything" oversimplify how fat loss actually works. Most fat burners provide modest effects at best. Research on stimulant fat burners generally shows relatively small real-world fat loss effects compared to diet consistency and training. So, does Tradesman Nutrition actually help you get shredded? Short answer, maybe slightly, but not nearly as dramatically as the ad suggests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.